show the mama. Can you please stand up, baby? Hi. Yay! What are you doing? Washing?
Yeah, watching toys.
Washing toys. Dapat po, washing clothes, not washing toys. Okay, dapat
Don't say what are they emptying.
konting minutes to show them that you are joining mommy and daddy while having laundry. Are you happy? Okay, show them yung mga damit na nalaban na, please.
No, I'm so happy.
So heavy.
Yeah.
How about this? What's the color of this?
Pink.
Pink. Who are these characters?
Ana Asa.
Anna, Elsa. Are washing everybody. How about you, everybody? Did you wash your clothes already?
Yeah.
Yeah. How did you know? They have washing machine. Oo, kasi di pa tayo nagbibili washing machine. Hospital si Mami.
Mama, I want high school too.
Ano ko nito? Ikaw yan. Ayun talaga.
Yeah, hindi.
Ikaw ko na lang. Pero maganda ang design. Cut out ko na lang. Can you please stand up once again? Show them your toys. Hi. There's a strawberry. Wow. Can you go there? Show them some plants and trees.
What's up in water and a bubble?
Oh, bubbles.
Yeah.
Yeah, you vlog. Hello, everybody.
Don't put inside the plants.
I want the plants. Pag may bubbles, huwag daw sa plants, sabi ni Daddy. Okay, everyone. Don't put the bubbles to the plants. Because Daddy, what will happen?
Nothing.
Because, Jemima, what will happen to the plants if you put bubbles?
Water.
Water dapat. The plants may die because they don't like the soap. It's full of chemicals. Okay, everybody? Okay. I'll make the camera closer to you. And then let's turn it up so that we can save energy. Energy. Hello. And our little backyard full of trees. Wow. Come on, Jemima, show them the trees. Jemima, where are the trees?
It's up there and over there.
What is this tree? Avocado po. This is the avocado, everybody. Look. Avocado. Where is the balingbing or the star fruit? Where is the star fruit? Saan yung
Sky.
on the sky? Santol.
Yeah, Santa.
You forgot the santol?
Yeah.
Ayun, yun. Show them. Ayun po doon. There on the other side of this wall. Yeah? Okay. Say goodbye to everybody. Bye, Daddy. Goodbye.
Bye.
We're busy now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
Splash, splash.
Go splash. Bye-bye.